Khloe Kardashian looks incredible in hot pink swimsuit just 5 months after giving birth. KHLOE Kardashian showed off her amazing post-baby body as she enjoyed her first family holiday with baby True. The 34-year-old, who gave birth to her daughter just 5 months ago, slipped into a very sexy pink swimsuit, which highlighted her famous bum. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians star has been sharing numerous pictures from her sun-filled break and even delighted fans with a bikini snap earlier in the week. Revealing her incredible figure, she wore a white bikini with a cover-up and a pair of tasseled earrings. Other images show her playing in the pool with her daughter and messing around with her mum Kris. Khloe recently admitted that, although she's not where she wants to be in terms of fitness at the moment, she feels good in her own skin and isn't afraid to get into a bikini. Writing on her app Khloe Kardashian.com, she said, "My entire life I have never been a bathing suit girl. I don't know if I'll ever feel good in a swimsuit, I've just never been that comfortable wearing one. When we were recently on vacation in Mexico, I think the only thing that made me take off my cover-up is that I had to get in the water because of the heat, lol. Since having True, my body is just different and not the same whatsoever. I'm not at my goal yet, but I'm also not insecure about it. My body just is my body right now, and I feel really confident and beautiful. I definitely want to hit my fitness goal because I love being healthy and I want a fit life to keep up with True and to show her how to be active and set a healthy example, but I have other priorities at the moment. I still work out and I try to eat healthy, but my life is about the baby then work. Got a story? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co. Or call us direct on 020778242220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.